It looks like he's picking fruit, but look closely, that's not all. In the middle of the harvest, he knocks down a lizard and with impressive skill catches it with his hand. Soon after, he keeps searching and knocks down another one with the same dexterity. This guy is truly exotic. His movements are fast and precise, as if he does this every day. It's fascinating to watch how naturally he interacts with his surroundings, blending agility and control. He definitely has amazing reflexes. Catching a falling lizard midair takes incredible speed and coordination.